All right, this is lesson 12.3, and we're going to be identifying polygons. Okay, so in earlier lessons you learned about line segments and their angles, and in this lesson we're going to learn about how line segments and angles can make a polygon. All right, so just a reminder that a polygon is a closed plane shape that is made up of line segments that meet only at their endpoints. And each line segment in a polygon is a side, okay? All polygons are closed shapes, but not all closed shapes are polygons. All right, so down below we have 4 different shapes, and we are going to go through and we are going to circle or mark the ones that would help describe the shape, okay? All right, so we will do A together, and then I would like you to pause the video and see if you can do B, C, and D on your own. All right, let me get my pen here. Okay, so for A, we have a circle. So a circle is a plane shape. Okay, the shape is not open. If I use my pencil and go all the way around, I can draw the shape without lifting up my pencil. So my starting point, my end point is the same, so it is closed. My line segments are curved, or I have curved paths. I do not have line segments because a line segment would mean that I had a straight line. And this is not a polygon. If we look up above, it says a polygon is a closed plane shape that is made up of line segments that meet at endpoints. So a circle is not a polygon because it does not have line segments. Okay? All right, so let's check out this one. I know I said earlier to pause after A, but we'll do B together, and then you can go from there. Okay? All right, so B is a plane shape. It is a flat shape. It is also open because my starting point and my ending point do not meet. Sorry, my circles are a little goofy here. Okay, it is not a closed shape. It does have curved paths. Again, it does not have line segments because I don't have those straight line segments that have the ending point. So therefore, again, if it does not have line segments that meet at their endpoints, then it is not a polygon. So I would not circle polygon. Okay, so what I would like you to do is to go ahead and pause the video, and then I'd like you to take a look at C and D and figure out if you can, or see if you can decide whether or which parts you would circle to match the figure from up above. Okay, so part C, it is a plane shape. It is closed. It has line segments. From here to here is a line segment, meet at an ending point, and it is a polygon. All right, for part D, same thing. It is a plane shape. It is not open, but it is closed. It has curved paths. And it also has line segments. Okay, and it is not a polygon because it has curved sides. Even though it has line segments, it has curved paths, so it is not a polygon. Okay? All right, so down below we have a fill in the word bank, and we're going to fill it in with sometimes, always, or never. And we can use our pictures up above to help us fill in. Okay? All right, so polygons are sometimes, always, or never plane shape. It would be polygons are always plane shapes. Here, fill in my text box. Okay, so polygons are always plane shapes. polygons are sometimes, always, or never closed shape. This one would be always. Polygons are always closed. A little bigger. In here. Oops, it's a little too big. 14, it's still too big. 11. 10, there we go. 10's a good size. All right, so polygons are always closed shapes. Okay. And the next one says polygons are blank open shapes. That would be never. They are never open shapes, always closed. Okay. And then the last one, plane shapes are sometimes, always, or never polygons. Plane shapes are sometimes polygons. Okay. All right, so this would be sometimes. Okay, so again, you can use your picture descriptions up above if you needed a little extra help filling in those words. Okay? All right, so the next part of your assignment is going to look like this, and it's going to be naming polygons, and we're going to be looking at the angles and sides of polygons to help name them. Okay, so a lot of these I know that you have heard before. They are review, and we're just going to be counting sides and angles. Okay, so again, an angle is where two endpoints meet. Okay, so count the number of sides and angles. We know that a triangle has 3 sides and also has 3 angles. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and it also has 4 angles. All right, so a pentagon has 5 angles and then therefore it would have 5 sides. You're noticing we always have the same number of sides and angles. Okay. All right, so a hexagon, we know it has 6 angles and it has 6 sides. Counting my sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, we know that an octagon has 8 sides, so therefore it has 8 angles. Ooh, there we go. Okay, and then a decagon, obviously we know a decagon has 10 sides, and so therefore it also has 10 angles. Okay? All right, so down below we have 3 questions. I want you to go ahead and pause the video and see if you can answer them. It's asking you about a stop sign. So here's a stop sign up above. So I want you to look at the sides and angles, and answer the 3 questions down below. All right, so we know that if you looked up above at your stop sign, you know that a stop sign is an octagon and it has 8 sides. So therefore it would have 8 angles. And again, we named it a stop sign, or the name of the polygon would be an octagon. Okay. All right, so last part, so on your assignment, you're going to have a part where you're going to have to describe shapes. So here is the shape that we have over here. We are going to describe this polygon, this quadrilateral or polygon, okay? All right. So again, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles. That's what we're using here. All right, so we know that this is a plane shape. Circle plane shape. Again, it's plane shape because it is flat. It is not an open shape, so we know that it is closed. It is not a pentagon because a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. We only have 4. It does not have curved paths. It does have line segments from here to here. Those meet at endpoints. Those are line segments. Looking up above, a hexagon has 6 sides. We know we have 4, so that is not correct. A quadrilateral has 4, so it would be a quadrilateral as well. Okay? All right, so on part of your assignment, you're going to have to be able to describe different shapes. So again, referencing back to your note pages would be a good idea. As always, you can rewatch this video, pause it as needed. Remember that you can always message me if you have any questions, and you can also check out Khan Academy for more practice. Okay. All right, so this is lesson 12.3. Have a good day.